2022 24FSE by Coachman. And this is pretty nice. I'm not sure if this is considered a Class C or B+, but it's very compact. And as you can see, this has the Mercedes front end, Mercedes Sprinter front end, which is nice. We saw earlier on another one that this has the touch pads on the steering wheel, so you can control the touch screen or you can use the screen.
So you never have to take your eyes off the road, right?
No, you don't. It has numerous cup holders, 2 on each side of the dash and 4 in between, and in the middle is a pop-up where you can charge all your devices right in there.
And it also has a wireless charging pad there as well.
Yes, it does.
So many cup holders. I'd be in heaven.
Yes, all your
coffee
water.
and water galore. Okay.
And it has these wonderful seats here.
Now, what about airbags? What about safety, John?
This is one of the safer RVs because the Mercedes comes with the 6 airbags. At least that's what I was told. I'm not sure if this is the same Sprinter front end, but it should have an airbag. Yes, an airbag in each A-pillar. I see the sign. Airbag, 2 airbags in the dash. And I'm not sure about side airbags on this particular model, but it does have at least 4, but I believe
So
it has seat airbags too.
Oh, wonderful. Okay.
So it has all the 6 airbags.
All right.
This particular model has a U-shaped dinette.
I like that because you can fit so many more people in here.
You can, for
Yes.
such a small area.
If you have a lot of kids,
can,
if you have
yeah.
kids, and even adults, I mean, you could sit, what, 5 adults in there?
You can, and underneath,
Oops, I got my finger in the shot.
underneath is some pretty deep storage on each side, and we also have outlets down, one outlet down there if you need that.
And I believe this folds down. You can make a bed, right? You drop the pedestal
Yes.
down.
The pedestal goes on this, see this raised edge, this dark piece of wood?
Mm-hmm.
It goes onto that. And there should be an extra cushion besides this.
It's probably stowed
Probably
somewhere.
either that one back there. It's probably a combination of these two that fill in this area. All right, and you have cabinetry on this side. Oh no, you have a television on in that cabinet. Over here we have kitchen storage.
Oh, John, you missed something.
What did I miss?
That big tag underneath your hand.
Oh, what is this? Wired for solar. Oh, it comes wired
So you
for
can
solar.
so you can get some extra solar put on here.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
And check out this.
That's a funky looking.
And what is this? This is a drying rack.
Drying rack.
And a farm style sink,
Yep.
as they call it. And you can put that right over the top. You put your dishes on. All right, and we have storage here. And a lot of storage there.
Oh wow, that is a lot of storage. You can put a lot under there.
A 30-amp power cord. You have a 3-burner. Now I'm breaking stuff again. A 3-burner cooktop, propane.
Oh look, it comes with a little spice rack.
Oh, it does.
That's kind of neat.
That is cool. I'm not sure if this is convection. It looks kind of small for that. I think this is
It has
just...
an oven, John, so it's not convection.
Oh, yes, it does have an oven.
And what is in the bottom? It's like a
broiler?
warmer?
No, a drawer.
drawer.
That's a pretty deep drawer.
Wait, pull that out, John.
Mm-hmm.
So, is it stopping there because it's supposed to stop, or is it stopping there because there's a screw that's not screwed in properly?
One side...
Right here. It's bumping into that. So over time,
Oh, yeah.
it's bumping into this screw. So over time, that's going to get worn away.
Yeah, some quality issues here.
Okay, so let's go to the bedroom.
The first thing...
Oh wait, we're still in the kitchen. Wait, your refrigerator.
I'm in the bedroom. And
No,
look
the
where
refrigerator is in the.
This is the bedroom.
Okay. Here's your fridge.
And is there a freezer section?
It's a good
Oh,
size
down
fridge
here.
for this
this.
size RV.
Yes, it is.
Right?
This is very large.
If you have something this size, you're not going to have something huge.
Oh.
I'm not quite sure why this is, but you can take a look.
That's a pretty sink.
That's a
though.
very pretty sink.
They haven't finished assembling the shower door yet.
Let's hope that's the case and it didn't just fall off.
I hope not.
Okay. And then here's your bedroom. We both can't fit back here, so I'm going to just go ahead and open up these cabinets for you.
Yep.
Lots of space in here. Look at this. Look in here. Nice area to hang up your clothes. It goes all the way through. And you have drawers here.
I find the drawers are stiff.
Ugh.
All the drawers are slightly.
Yeah, they're a little stiff. And there's your low point drain.
That's an odd place for it.
Right here you have your television. Here's your storage space. It's got two handles here to open up. Oh no, wait. This is your propane tank. All right. Did you get that, John?
Yeah, propane tank.
It's got a Truma AquaGo water heater. There's some additional storage space in here.
That's pretty deep.
Yeah, it's very deep. And I think that's all that we can get to show you.
Well, let's
I
go.
like this, John. I like when they do ladders like this where
I do too, yeah.
you can actually pull them down.
Right, it doesn't have two pieces. It just
You
comes
don't like
down.
to step up this high, even though I don't have a problem with stepping up high.
Did you want to see if we can open?
The slides you can open, you can see, sure.
Oh.
Here's some more space over here.
Oh, this one looks big.
It's locked though.
Oh,
I think
okay.
this side's locked.
This side's locked.
So, John,
Yes.
John's pet peeves.
I mean, it's small, I get it, but the fridge just seems to be in an odd place. The TV is even worse to me. I don't like where that is at all. But I mean, other than that, it seems okay. I mean, you have a bunk above the seat, so you can sleep people there, and here. Small people here. But yeah, I don't particularly like the layout that much. Like I said, I don't like the fridge being at the foot of the bed. But
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I guess,
and the TV placement, like I said, the TV placement is just rather odd.
so I guess it's time for Sherry's favorite.
Yeah, your favorite. That drawing rack is pretty
It's
cool.
not practical.
Yeah, it's kind of.
So I'd say my favorite feature is probably this drying rack. I like that you can use it to both cover your sink, but as you're washing dishes, you can put them here and you don't have to worry about space for an additional rack like we do in ours. It rolls up nicely and rolls away. You put it away very easily. So I like that. And I like this sink. I love this nozzle. It's different. It's unique. It's not something, where's our camera?
Right here.
Oh. It's different, it's unique, and it's not something that you see everywhere. I mean, I really like this. So now it's time for perceived build quality. At this price point, you're not going to see the same kind of quality that you see go into a lot of the Winnebagos or the Newmars, but there are certain things, certain expectations that we would have from a builder, things that can show us whether or not this motorhome is made in a good quality manner. The first thing that I'll point out is down here. There really is no reason why, and the reason this is happening is the screw is in crooked. And because this screw is in crooked, this is going to always bang up against this screw here. So that's the first thing I noticed. The second thing I noticed is that if you come into the bathroom, here's another build quality issue. A bathroom door, any door in any RV should be able to just close. That something's off, right? I shouldn't have to put that much force behind closing a door. And then as we look at some of the cabinets, you can see where the wood's kind of frayed. Just poor workmanship in general. And it could just be this particular one. Some people have no problems, some people have tons of problems, but for perceived build quality, I think I will give this 6.5.
Yeah.
You
I
agree,
think
John?
so. Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's it. We're gonna go look at some more for as long as we can last.